Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making chocolate cake. For this we need all-purpose flour, milk, castor sugar, baking soda, oil, baking powder, cocoa powder, vanilla essence and egg. So first take eggs, 5 eggs, and separate egg yellow from egg white. You can use a strainer to separate egg yellow from egg white. Now beat the egg white. Beat it for 5 to 7 minutes till it becomes very creamy. Now on egg yellow, add 2 teaspoons of castor sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it properly till sugar dissolve. Now add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix it again. Add 3 teaspoons of milk and mix it. Now beat the egg white again and mix the egg yellow in egg white. Now take another bowl, take a strainer, add 1 bowl of all-purpose flour or maida, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, add 2 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 4 teaspoon of castor sugar, and strain it. Strain all the dry ingredient very carefully. Now we have to mix dry ingredient into wet ingredient, and we have to mix it clockwise. Only one direction, that is clockwise, and we have to mix dry ingredient till a smooth consistency. Now take a cake mold, apply oil, add little flour, all-purpose flour, and pour the mixture. And now bake it on preheated oven for 20 minutes and your chocolate cake is ready. Thank you.